So you guys thought not much was going on here in the garage and that the car was built and done with. Well, you couldn't be more wrong, because this guy right here is soon to go into the car. This is an Audi S3 8P BHZ engine, probably a 2007 year. It's been fully rebuilt and it's been fully forged, and using a lot of interesting components here. So let's have a look, shall we? Starting from the bottom, and for obvious reason, you know, the oil pan is installed. You can't see this. We've got a balance shaft deactivation going on here from Valsa Motor. I made a separate video on that. I'll share that with you. We've got the latest revision pickup pipe, all new gaskets, all new bolts. The pan's been thoroughly cleaned. And then in the block, we're using ACL race bearings. We're using K1 Technologies rods for the 1.8T because they're very lightweight and still very strong. And I'm using diamond pistons, which are around the stock compression ratio, but very light for what they do. And this should all taken into account, this should mean a very fast revving engine and very little drivetrain losses, so more horsepower in the ground pretty much. The main caps for the bearings were machined, or one of them rather was machined. Number 3 was machined to a 360 degree configuration, so that should help a bit with you know, longevity. This head has been professionally ported. If you look into the intake ports here, we also see that they have been the port dividers have been filled, and the ports are, well, they are ported by definition. We have this roller conversion here, so I no longer will have to change the follower regularly, so that should help as well. On the head, we also have brand new Golf R camshafts on the intake side. That provides more fuel than the regular cam, and then the exhaust cam, which should provide more duration. And then the lifters, tappets, everything is replaced with the OEM parts from a Golf R. Come around here, we've got new timing components, tensioner, idler, water pump is new, this cover is new, the sprocket is new, all the bolts are replaced, the thermostat is brand new, replaced. And let's have a look at the exhaust side here. It might be a little bit too dark. Turn the light on here. See, the exhaust has a street port to it as well. Not sure how visible that is.